Welcome to Typhoon Vlog Day!
Hello.
We got a typhoon coming, so we got some stuff we gotta do before the typhoon comes, and I thought it would be much more fun to just do a vlog. Sorry, I know I have crusties in my eyes. I just woke up. Ignore this one though, because that's always there. That's not a crusty, that's like a, I don't know what that is. I just hope it doesn't get any bigger. Whatever it is, I just hope it doesn't get any bigger. But here, I'll show you guys something. So the typhoon's right there, and Okinawa's right there. Like, it's not gonna hit us directly, but we are definitely gonna get the stronger outer winds. For those of you guys who understand military terms, we are in T-Core 2. As some of you guys know, family right now is dealing with my grandpa, who is currently not doing so hot. He's got stomach cancer, and it's not looking too good for him right now. So a lot of the family members are coming together and doing their best to make sure that, you know, he's taken care of. My mom and my aunt do a lot, and my uncle, who lives with my mom and my aunt and my grandpa, also do a lot. He's probably the one who's with my grandpa the most, 24/7 with him, and lately he hasn't been doing so hot. You know, mentally, I think watching somebody in my grandpa's state 24 hours a day, taking care of him and not getting any respite, mentally I think it'll take a toll on anybody. As some of you guys who have been with me since my daily vlog days, y'all know that every once in a while I like to take my uncle out for a drive. I haven't been able to do that ever since I got this full-time job, and especially now that Matt is working, it's kind of hard to really take him places and go do things. So I know it's before a typhoon, but right before the winds get really bad, Matt and I are hoping that we could take my uncle out for a drive a little bit today, just to kind of get him out of the house, and even for an hour or so, just out and about and doing something that he enjoys. I found this. This is a candy that I used to eat. It's like a caramel candy called milk caramel, and they made it into a frappe, and it tastes like my childhood.
Does it taste good?
You know how in Japan or in the States you got like the Werther's original candies, the butterscotch candies? You know, like your grandma would give you, not your grandma, but like grandmas would have in their pockets and stuff. Mm-hmm. This was kind of that version. Oh, like Werther's, except this isn't butterscotch, it was caramel, but I don't know, it tastes good. Matt's here, my uncle's here. We're gonna go for a drive in the typhoon. So, let's go.
台風の中でもいいじゃないか。
うちなんちゅうだから。
ね
うちなんちゅうはどんだけすごい台風でも
実は出てるから。
ね、ファミリーとか金秀が閉まらない限りはみんな動くから。My uncle needs some brand new shoes, so he asked me to come to the shoe store to get him some shoes on the way home. This is the kind of shoes he gets. He needs a 27 though. Oh, this one? So it's about 5:30. Matt ended up having to go to work because it's still TC1. It has to be TC1C before they close down the bases, and Matt can't get in. So I'm pretty sure he's not going to be there for the full shift, but he's there now. I made myself a pasta salad with tuna and cucumber, and I'm working on my project and watching Schitt's Creek.
Respectable guy, like one of those guys that has like a candy bowl of condoms on his bedside table or something.
No, hope so.
If you have seen Schitt's Creek, let me know in the comments below. Tell me what you guys think. I'm still kind of like iffy on the show. It's good. I can see why a lot of people like it. but I don't know. Maybe it's because I really want to watch The Office, but the Japanese Netflix only has up until season 3, and like my heart is in The Office and not in Schitt's Creek, so I don't know, maybe that's why, but I'm giving Schitt's Creek a try because so many people have asked me to watch it. I actually have to finish Modern Family too. I'm like on the last season. Okay, so it just turned to TC1C, which means the bases are closed, so Matt should be coming home soon. I think he's gonna stop by my mom's pharmacy. Oh my god, I thought that was a face. I thought there was a face. Oh my god. I've had a heart attack. I stepped outside though, and it's really not that windy yet. There's not a lot of rain either. According to the weather report, the bulk of the typhoon is supposed to be here early tomorrow morning. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 in that time frame, pretty much like 5 or 6 hours from now. I'm gonna start streaming here in a little bit with my friends.
Hello.
Hey, Beesh.
Hey, Beesh.
So we always say we're gonna start at 9, and then it's almost like 10 o'clock now, and we haven't even started yet. Our stream crew is so freaking chaotic. Sorry, I have them like talking. Can you guys hear them? There's Chris, there's Neridia. But yeah, see my screen, I'm not even streaming yet. But Matt brought home pizza, so I'm like super excited because I've been craving pizza. So good, oh my god, pizza! What is it? Sexy alligators licked my ovaries fresh. Got it. This is been crazy. This is my first time playing this game and it is insane. It's not even raining. I don't know if I'm supposed to take out the trash because it's like nobody's taken out anything. It's really clean over there, and I don't know if I'm supposed to take this out because of the typhoon.
Just leave it there.
Well, it's gonna blow away.
You think so?
Our midnight vending machine run.
Yeah.
What did you get? Oh wait, did you get me anything?
No, you have 50 yen.
Oh yeah, I guess I do.
I didn't grab your coins. I would leave it there. No?
Put it under a brick, because there's a brick over there. We ended up playing Among Us for like hours. Originally we were going to play Sea of Thieves, but then we had so many people joining us in our game, and Sea of Thieves you can only have up to 4 players, so it was really fun. I'm gonna check the weather right now because it is not that windy at all. Like the most it's gonna be is like 40 miles per hour. I'm sure this is the first of many typhoons, but I'm still a little disappointed. I love typhoons. Obviously, I don't want anyone to get hurt. I don't want crazy disasters to happen, you know, stuff like that, but I do like me a little bit of a storm. It's relaxing. I find rain, wind, just like chaos, relaxing. It is 3 o'clock in the morning and the rain is finally starting to come down, which is nice because I'm about to go to sleep and it's coming down at the right time. Just in time for me to go to sleep, so might lull me to sleep. I'm excited. We ended up talking on the video chat for like an hour or so with Matt's grandma and aunt because Matt's aunt's daughter, Matt's cousin, just gave birth to a baby boy, baby Henry. So this is really, really exciting. New baby in the family. Total COVID baby. They have scheduled like 400 babies that were gonna be born in July or June or whatever. I think it's record breaking. And I'm like, yep, COVID babies. What else are people gonna do when they're cooped up in the house but make babies? Matt and I didn't fall into that trap. This is gonna be a new generation of children. You know how there's like the baby boomers? Now there's gonna be COVID babies. That's crazy. Good morning, good morning, ba 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 ba. Good morning to you. The wind is a little strong, question mark. I mean, it's just pretty much the same as yesterday. Sorry, I know I keep looking this way. I'm looking at the screen here because I'm trying to show you guys, but this one is a very slow moving typhoon, but here, I'll show you guys where it's at. So this is us again. It's moving kind of slow. Feel bad for my uncle because he's gonna get a direct hit. It looked like it was going straight to Taiwan, but it kind of veered off course. It's heading straight to China, which I feel really bad for. I was looking on the news and they were going through some flooding like it is in Germany. I feel like I'm a news channel right now, or at least with a reporter, because that's all I've been talking about for the last couple days. I know I love storms and rains and all that, but like I said earlier, just because I like the storm doesn't mean I want anyone to get hurt. It just calms me. I like it to be stormy. It is noon right now. It's actually 12:30. Matt and I just got up like probably about 10 minutes ago because we didn't go to bed till about 4 or 5 in the morning. Our sleeping schedule is so flip-flopped since most of the time both of us work evening shifts. I guess this is it. I mean, this was kind of just my vlog, my typhoon vlog. So I'll be back next Wednesday for another video, and see you then.